Mas nalalapit na raw ang pagtransisyon ng Pilipinas sa sustainable energy. Kasunod ito ng pagbubukas ng kauna-unahang Tesla stores sa Uptown, BGC. Para kay National Development Company General Manager Anton Mauricio, napapanahon talaga ang mga ganitong investment sa bansa.
We are one of the fastest growing economies in the world. We are stable, and it makes sense because we have a growing population that are tech savvy and also a tech savvy workforce.
Kaya sa panig nila bilang isang government-owned and controlled corporation o GOCC, mahalagang madagdagan pa ang ganitong energy solution initiatives.
This project it aligns with our investment criteria, which are pioneering, developmental, sustainable, inclusive, and innovative. As you can see, the price range of the EVs here, I think they're one of the lowest in the market, if not the lowest. That's good news for the Filipino consumer.
Ipinagmalaki ni Tesla Southeast Asia Regional Director Isabel Fan na kalahati ng mga bagong rehistrong sasakyan ay pure electric. Anya, ito ang pinaka-sustainable na opsyon sa merkado.
Everything we do in this organization, the business model, the product design, the way we serve our audience.
See this as a great opportunity in terms of the environmental impact and sustainability goals of the country.
Dahil daw sa mahigit 7 milyong electric vehicles ng Tesla sa buong mundo, tinatayang higit 20 million metric tons ng carbon dioxide emission ang naiwasan. Samantala, bilang biggest data and technology company sa mundo, ang vision for the future umano ng Tesla ay hindi lamang nakatuon sa transportasyon, kundi maging sa mga praktikal na solusyon sa loob ng tahanan.
Tesla is a technology company, actually. We're not a car company. We're not a typical car company that pure EV is just part of our business. We are a vertically integrated energy solution company.
Isa ang bilyonaryong si Kevin Tan sa mga dumalo sa pagbubukas ng Tesla flagship store. Sabi niya magkakaroon din sila ng kasunduan sa Tesla para sa pagtatayo ng iba pang mga dealership sa bansa.
For now, this is the flagship store, but we are already discussing other locations. We will have to open up in cities as well in the Philippines. So we're looking at other properties around townships as well.
Bubuksan din ngayong buwan ang supercharging station sa Uptown Mall, BGC na magkakaroon ng 4 na superchargers. Tiniyak ng Tesla ang kanilang commitment sa pag-abot ng zero emissions sa Pilipinas. Bilang bahagi ng kanilang pangako, patuloy nilang palalawakin ang Experience Center, Service and Support at Infrastructure Charging. Para sa Agenda, Sujin Kim, BNC.